Yo, what's up guys? This is the new video, and on this video gonna be looking at NAS 100 and US30. Alright, so first we're gonna be starting with NAS 100. Alright, so all we're gonna do is to clear off the chart. Alright, so obviously we're gonna head to a day time frame, see what's popping, or even maybe weekly. Alright, so yeah, weekly time frame. Alright, so right now we've been seeing that NAS 100 has been bullish, as like anticipated from our previous videos, that we're gonna be taking that bullish segment. Alright, so now what we're gonna be doing is to put up our levels and trying to see what's really popping in the market. So let's get into it. Okay, so see, this seems to be our analysis. This seems to be what we have got. Alright, so meaning obviously it's the under the decline. Alright, but lately we've been picking up steam and we've been going bullish. Alright, so going to what we see now, just dive deep and see. Alright, so for this week we came for sure that the market is going to keep continuing the bullish market, because if you look clearly, we are now a resistance level right now. Alright, so meaning two things could go. The market will just decline to give us to collect momentum to continue with the bullish movement, or what's gonna happen, the market's just gonna go crazy and break structure. Alright, because this is what we are looking for. Alright, we're looking to break structure to the upside. Alright, so if you look from the market, you cut it from maybe here going downwards. It gave us how many steps? Two. Alright, gave us 2 steps. Alright, and then in the middle it gave us a down bottom, which is like, can take it as a W pattern. Alright, so going upwards, it won't really necessarily give us exactly these kind of steps. It might just shoot forward just like that. Alright, but already has given us the first step. So if it declines, so it's gonna confirm that alright, it's gonna be moving steps. So from here at this point, we're gonna know that the market is just gonna head straight to this level, 12,842. Alright, so that's what we're gonna be looking for. If you look at it from maybe a weekly perspective, alright, see so this is kind of giving us some W type of vibes. Alright, so meaning for it to complete, it's gotta at least reach this level here, or eventually go which way it started. Alright, which is at this level here. Alright, those who trade the W's and M's strategies, like, they know this. Alright, so this way it began, and remember the no-brainer, we cut it in half, and where it began, so it's gonna end. Alright, so overall, this is what we are looking for from NAS 100. Alright, this is what we are looking forward to. Alright, because if you look like from June, from June up until now, all the market has been doing is to moving sideways, because it's struggling to pull to just rally up. Right, because it has been on a decline since 2021. All right, let's check. Yeah, it's been on a decline since 2021. All right, so it's been a full year like the market's been declining. It's been trying to pick up steam going to the upside, but it is struggling because of the levels that it's been creating as it declines. So as it goes up again, it has to respect those levels. Right, so this is what we are looking for. All right, we are looking for this W-shaped structure. All right, either it's gonna take a pause here, or it's just gonna touch there. All right, so so for NAS 100, this is how the future looks like. All right, we're looking for that bullish up until there or here. All right, so for this coming week, can't really be so sure how the market's gonna play out, because since then market still trying to break to the upside. All right, so meaning this is what we think it might do. From where it is, just gonna hit towards this level here. All right, 12,842. All right, so that's the level that the market might be going to reach for. All right, but if it happens that it declines, all right, if it declines, so I'm gonna end here on this level 11,458. All right, it doesn't seem to gonna go beyond, right, up until it doesn't, like, if it does this, then it means that the market is gonna stay on this kind of sideways trend for a minute. Like, it means that even still on 2020, we're gonna enter 2023 still struggling to break to the upside. All right, if the market goes below like this. All right, so it's gonna be a very struggle for it to change directions and head for the bullish, because we're still under a downtrend overall. All right, so what we're looking for is to break this structure. All right, just break the trend. All right, and then set up a new trend, just like it's gonna give us a powerful bullish direction. All right, so that's what's up. All right, so now let's head straight to USDT. All right, so for next one, I remember you are looking for these levels here or here, or it might even hit both. All right, it might just go to the sideways and not do anything. All right, so now let's head to USDT. All right, so even on USDT, like this how the market looks like doesn't seem to be giving much details. All right, so just gonna put our levels and see what's popping. Okay, so on USDT, this seems to be our levels. All right, so if you look at USDT, like, it doesn't give much details. All right, like, we can't find you can see that the market's on a downtrend. All right, but aligning your peaks and your levels, like, you can't really do that because it doesn't allow you. There ain't so much alignment. All right, so what it shows you is that it has broken the trend. All right, so meaning what you're looking for is just to continue with an upwards movement, because it did break it and then come back to retest it. All right, so meaning we are looking for reversing it fully. All right, and also on USDT, can look it from the W shape perspective. All right, so this way it kind of began. All right, gave us a decline, came in the middle. All right, so what's going on is that right here, it could be on this level, it could be where we will anticipate that the W ends. All right, or we'll just go head straight towards where it initially, like, originally, like, began. All right, which is like, see, so it's on the same level. All right, so once the W is complete, what's going to happen to the market? All right, is it still going to continue the upwards movement or what? All right, but because if we're looking at it and our W before it came to be a W, like here, all right, it had those movement which support the W. All right, like from here, so also gave us gave us two steps. All right, so from where it started and give us one step. All right, so at this side, you will also have to complete this movement that came before the W. So meaning this is where the movement began at the top. All right, and our highest price. All right, so meaning that's the end goal. That's where we are heading towards. All right, so meaning from here, after the W has been completed, it means that the market might just give us only one step, because not necessarily it's gonna give us these steps. Because what happens on the right hand side, don't fully, like, 100% replicate on the right. It does happen. It's gonna respect this kind of movement, but on this side it's just gonna be like straight up, like, so it's just gonna be short. If this side it only came like straight with one step, like no step at all, just came straight down and then gave us the W shape. On this side was going to give us steps like on this side, right? So meaning at this side we are looking for the market to just shoot powerfully, right? We are looking for the market, if it reaches here, maybe it's going to decline, so meaning it's giving us that taste of a step and then here straight from where the market initially began. All right, so meaning this is what we are looking for overall from the US30. All right, this is what it looks like. We're looking to head towards that, so meaning the future looks bullish. All right, so for this coming week, let's see how the market might play out. All right, so if we go, can still see that things are still unclear. All right, seems like the market just gonna continue this for the movement and go hit this level here to touch it, and then maybe it's gonna decline for a minute. All right, so from here I'm gonna go touch, and after touching, decline for a minute. All right, I'll just keep declining. All right, there's a possibility that the market might do something like this. All right, so maybe we'll enter 2023 still under a decline. All right, or what it might just do, all right, it might go touch and then decline for a second and then break to upside up until this level here, which is 35516. All right, so that's what the market might be doing for this coming week. All right, so just be on the lookout for levels, man. Put your levels correctly and then be lookout on, obviously. On a resistance you sell, on a support you buy, man, and that's what's up. All right, so if you learn anything on this video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and peace out.